Artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize the way we handle chemical spills. It begins with early detection. By analyzing data from various sensors located in and around chemical facilities, AI can quickly identify irregularities that point to a potential spill. This early warning system can drastically reduce the time it takes to respond to such incidents. But the capabilities of AI don't stop at detection. It can also assist in responding to a spill. By using complex algorithms, AI can predict the potential spread of a spill, taking into account factors like wind direction, terrain, and local water currents. With this information, it can suggest the most effective mitigation strategies, such as where to place barriers or which areas to evacuate. AI, therefore, not only detects spills, but also aids in faster and more effective responses, reducing the environmental impact. In these few minutes, we've covered some critical points. We began by exploring the devastating environmental impact of chemical spills. These spills can wreak havoc on ecosystems, decimating wildlife and wreaking havoc on human communities. From there, we delved into the transformative world of artificial intelligence. AI, with its ability to learn, adapt, and make decisions, is revolutionizing numerous fields, including environmental protection. We then discussed how AI can be a game changer in detecting and responding to chemical spills. With AI, we can quickly and accurately identify chemical spills, speeding up the response time and reducing the potential damage. Moreover, AI can help in managing the cleanup process, ensuring that it's effective and minimizes environmental harm. In essence, AI is much more than a tech buzzword. It's a powerful tool that can help us confront and mitigate the environmental challenges posed by chemical spills. With AI, we have a powerful tool in our hands to combat the environmental challenges posed by chemical spills. It's time we harness this technology to protect our environment.